Hello everyone, let's begin with our next video. For the lecture number 3, we will be learning about applications of machine learning in real life. Let's begin. Why it matters. Machine learning powers real-world systems that affect millions of users, business decisions, and even life-saving tools. These are the most important domains where ML makes a real difference. Alright. Now we will see about some of the features and applications in the real world. So for the first one, we have personalized recommendations. In this, the machine learning suggests videos, products, or music based on user behavior. Alright, so whatever the kind of content the user is interacting with, the machine learning algorithm and the model will basically just provide those kinds of products, videos, and music suggestions. It drives engagement on platforms like Amazon, Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify. So if you are basically being provided with a content that matches your type, you will be naturally increasing your interaction with the website or with the application. So if they are able to provide you movies that you like, shows that you love to watch, and the channels or the type of channels that you like to follow on YouTube, and the type of music that you like to listen on Spotify, if that's being suggested to you again and again, wouldn't it make you want to use that? This is exactly why the machine learning is used in engagement, or to boost the engagement. It also uses historical patterns to predict what users might like next. So as you already saw, that apart from basically liking that the channels, the applications, and the videos and movies you watch or you like to watch, those are recommended to you, and this becomes a historical pattern, and then it makes it easier to predict what the user would like to watch or what the user would not like to watch in order to avoid that. Next, we have healthcare and medical diagnosis. In this, we have scans, x-rays, or MRIs analyzed faster and more accurately using machine learning. It helps detect diseases like cancer, diabetic retinopathy, and heart conditions, predicts health-related risk, and involves early intervention or improves early intervention. Aids in drug discovery by simulating outcomes faster than traditional methods. Right? So basically, it is used everywhere. It is used in the X-rays, in the MRI machines. It is used to detect diseases like cancer or other heart conditions. It also predicts heart risks and health risks, and provides early intervention so that we can do a quick recovery and prevent the disease from spreading. It also aids in drug discovery by simulating outcomes which are faster than the traditional methods that we are using. Autonomous vehicles. ML enables cars to recognize traffic signs, detect pedestrians, and make driving decisions. Combines sensor data, camera feeds, and maps to navigate safely. Used in self-driving technology by Tesla, Waymo, etc. So as you already know, these kinds of self-driving cars in the trends these days, they basically use the machine learning to be able to recognize those traffic signs, those detection of the pedestrians and other stuff like vehicles, and also make driving decisions. Then we have finance and fraud detection. It monitors transactions to detect anomalies and frauds in real time. So if a person is buying something in a store in Canada daily. Let's just say he goes there and buys some sugar. Do you think it would be weird if suddenly that same credit card that he uses is found in Spain purchasing a $20,000 gift card online? Wouldn't that be strange? Yes, it would be, because the machine has identified a pattern that you go into a specific shop from a specific country on a specific time and you buy a specific product. So you suddenly cannot be in a different place and be buying a different product. You could be, you might be, but there is no guarantee. And this is what a new detection is, right? This is not something normal. That's how you detect fraud. That's one example. Then we have credit scoring models to evaluate loan risk. We have automation of stock market predictions based on trends and news. We have reducage of human error and speeding up of financial decision making. And at last we have NLP, natural language processing, in which it powers voice assistants like Siri, Alexa and chatbots. It enables language translation, speech to text and text summarization. It is also used in sentiment analysis to assess opinions from reviews or social media. Alright, so these were a couple of the real applications of the machine learning. I hope you were able to understand all the points, and thank you for watching.